Ready to dive into an ocean of new gaming possibilities? Microsoft has got you covered with a fresh Xbox showcase coming our way. This Wednesday is going to be a whirlwind of excitement with the promise of new trailers, game reveals, and release dates from gaming giants like Capcom, Electronic Arts, and Nexon. The anticipation is palpable as we gear up for the second episode of the Xbox Partner Preview. Microsoft has pulled out all the stops, announcing that we'll be treated to more than a dozen new trailers in a fast-paced, 30-minute broadcast. This no-frills series of updates promises to shine a spotlight on a variety of Xbox and Windows PC games, bringing us a smorgasbord of gaming delights. So, clear your schedules, grab your controllers, and buckle up. Mark your calendars, gaming enthusiasts, because this showcase is set to redefine your gaming experience. Wondering where to catch all this action? We have all the details for you. This Wednesday, mark your calendars for the Xbox Partner Preview, streaming live on the 6th of March at 1 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time, or 10 in the morning if you're on Pacific Standard Time. You can catch this showcase on Xbox's official YouTube and Twitch channels. Now, this isn't your everyday event. Microsoft is promising a no-frills series of updates. That's right, they've stripped away all the unnecessary pomp and circumstance to focus on what we all love: the games. You can look forward to updates on a variety of Xbox and Windows PC games. We're talking more than a dozen new trailers, game reveals, and exciting release dates from publishers like Capcom, Electronic Arts, and Nexon. So tune in and brace yourselves for a gaming extravaganza like never before. Let's spill some beans on the games that are confirmed to appear at 2024's first Xbox Partner Preview. We have 3 major titles under the spotlight that you definitely wouldn't want to miss. First off, we have Tales of Kenzera Zhao. This is a Metroidvania-style adventure game, a genre that brilliantly blends elements of Metroid and Castlevania games. It's the brainchild of Abubakar Salim Studio, Surgent Studios, and EA Originals. The game promises a unique blend of exploration, action, and puzzle solving, all wrapped up in a captivating story that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. Next, we have Capcom's Kunitsugami, Path of the Goddess. Now, this is an action strategy game that's rooted in Japanese mythology. Imagine engaging in strategic battles against ancient mythical creatures, all while unraveling the mysteries of the goddess's path. Sounds thrilling, doesn't it? This game is sure to keep strategy game lovers hooked with its intricate gameplay and immersive narrative. And lastly, we have the first Berserker Kazan from Nexon, the creators behind the well-loved Dungeon Fighter Online. This is a Souls-like action RPG that's set to take you on a roller coaster of emotions. The game's intense, challenging combat and deep, engaging story are bound to leave action RPG fans craving for more. And there you have it, a quick peek into the 3 confirmed games that are set to make a splash at the first Xbox Partner Preview of 2024. But hold on, these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's much more in store. So, keep your eyes peeled and your controllers at the ready, because the world of Xbox is about to deliver some truly unforgettable gaming experiences. Think that's all? Well, the Xbox Partner Preview has a lot more surprises up its sleeve. We're just scratching the surface of what's in store for all gaming enthusiasts out there. This showcase is not just about the confirmed titles we've discussed, but also a plethora of hidden gems waiting to be unveiled. The anticipation is palpable as we stand on the brink of this gaming extravaganza. We're talking about more than a dozen new trailers expected to drop over the course of a 30-minute broadcast. Yes, you heard it right, more than a dozen. That's a lot of gaming goodness packed into half an hour. The focus of this showcase is what's coming to Xbox, PC, and Game Pass from third parties. So, let's not hold our breath for major updates on Xbox Game Studios and Activision Blizzard titles. Instead, let's gear up for a deluge of fresh experiences from publishers like Capcom, Electronic Arts, and Nexon. We're expecting an eclectic mix of genres, from action strategy games steeped in Japanese myth to Souls-like action RPGs. The spotlight is on third-party publishers and their creations, meaning an array of innovative, boundary-pushing titles is on the cards. This is not just a showcase, it's a celebration of the diversity and creativity in the gaming industry. It's an opportunity for smaller studios to shine, for unique ideas to take center stage, and for gamers to discover their next favorite title. Remember, the Xbox Partner Preview is all about no frills. It's about getting straight to the good stuff without any distractions. It's about delivering a series of updates on a variety of Xbox and Windows PC games that will keep you on the edge of your seat. So prepare to be thrilled, surprised, and captivated. There's a world of gaming wonders waiting to be explored, and who knows, you might just stumble upon the next big thing in gaming during this showcase. So keep your eyes peeled for an abundance of gaming wonders making their way to your consoles and PCs. As we gear up for this exciting event, it's time to wrap up today's video. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's do a quick recap of what we know so far. Coming up on Wednesday, we have a new Xbox showcase that's set to stream live. This is the second episode of the Xbox Partner Preview, and it promises to bring us a 30-minute broadcast packed with new trailers, game reveals, and release dates from publishers like Capcom, Electronic Arts, and Nexon. The time to tune in is 1 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time, or 10 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. You'll be able to catch all the action on the Xbox's YouTube and Twitch channels. This event promises to be a no-frill series of updates on a variety of Xbox and Windows PC games. We know that 3 games are confirmed to make an appearance at the first Xbox Partner Preview of 2024. These are Tales of Kenzera Zhao, a Metroidvania-style adventure game created by Abubakar Salim's studio Surgent Studios and EA Originals, Capcom's Kunitsugami Path of the Goddess, an action strategy game built on Japanese myth, and the first Berserker Kazan, a Souls-like action RPG from Nexon's Dungeon Fighter Online team. But it's not just these 3 titles that we're excited about. It sounds like there will be much more than just those 3 titles. However, don't count on major updates on Xbox Game Studios and Activision Blizzard titles. This Xbox Partner Preview appears to be focused primarily on what's coming to Xbox, PC, and Game Pass from third parties. So, there you have it. A quick recap of what we can look forward to in the upcoming Xbox showcase. It's a thrilling time to be part of the gaming community, and we can't wait to see what new adventures await us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching.